Hey, how you doing, freshmen? In shop, when you come in for exploratory, what we're going to do is we're going to partially disassemble an engine. I'm going to teach you about the four-stroke cycle. You'll learn some of the parts and pieces and the internals of the engine. So freshmen will be taking them apart independently by yourself. We'll be having a toolkit right here for you to utilize. And then as you go around the shop here, you can see these are the lifts. This is where the students pull vehicles in, set them up on the lift so they can go up in the air like this truck. These are some of the engines that we're going to be using, both with the upperclassmen and also you freshmen. So as you can see right here, these are some of our cars. We have approximately 30 vehicles of our own. As you can see, no license plate. So we use these cars. These are the cars that all students will learn all the different systems, whether it be brakes, steering, suspension, electrical, engine performance. So we're already setting up for grade 10 to do brakes. This is our shop. You can see some of the equipment. This is a tire machine. We use this to dismount, mount, and inflate tires. And this is something that we'll introduce to you during exploratory. And after we're done mounting that tire and inflating that tire, we bring it over to the tire balancer. And we'll go ahead and spin this, simulating highway speeds on the road, balancing a tire so that your vehicle does not vibrate as you drive down the road. Right, so we have two tire machines here for the underclassmen to use as they learn tires and wheels. And if you see this car here, using a lift makes it easier to work on a vehicle. You can stand underneath, you can get to everything you need to get to. So this is what the underside of a vehicle looks like. You probably have never walked underneath the vehicle before. And this is our shop. We have 9 lifts, so we can get 9 vehicles in on a lift and raise them up in the air to work on. We also will bring vehicles in and just in the open center part of the floor, and we'll use jacks and jack stands, safety stands, another name for jack stands, so we can work on it. And then over here on the other end of the shop, over here, this is our alignment machine. So if you ever heard your parents say that they need to get a front wheel alignment or a full wheel alignment, this is what we do. We drive it onto this red lift. We raise it up, and it uses 4 infrared cameras. And we set up these targets on the wheels, and using that computer right there, and we go ahead and align the vehicle so that all 4 wheels are pointing straight ahead and the vehicle tracks properly going down the road. And then over here we have 2 newer pieces of equipment that we use for mounting and dismounting tires and balancing wheels and tires. This newer piece of equipment, this is what you would see if you definitely worked at a brand new car dealer. So it's state of the art. So our job here is to train you guys to become entry-level technicians. Whether you work at a dealer, whether you work at an independent repair facility, you might want to go on and work on heavy-duty trucks. These are just some opportunities. So, looking forward to seeing you come through one of the 8 exploratories. And also over here, you'll see our tool crib. So inside tool crib here we have various hand tools, equipment that students use on a day-to-day basis to make repairs and diagnose and repair vehicles. And also over here you can see we have this trophy case here. We have a couple of automotive competitions that we do each year with the students, with usually juniors and seniors, and we've done pretty good in the past. And students through these competitions also can win tools and also some scholarships. So that's our virtual tour of the shop. And Mr. Perry and myself, Mr. Wesson, we look forward to seeing you come through on Exploratory.